Welcome back guys, this is Special Girl. Today we are going to introduce you to AmirahDyme, widely known as the Cake Queen, a sensational Sudanese German model, Instagram celebrity, TikTok star and social media personality. She is also the proud owner and CEO of Flavors Co. Born on January 14, 1995 in Germany, Cake Queen embodies the essence of multicultural beauty with her Sudanese, German and Romanian roots. Raised in Germany and currently calling Berlin home, Cake Queen's journey to stardom began on January 14, 1995. As she geared up to celebrate her 29th birthday in 2024, her Capricorn spirit continues to guide her path. AmirahDyme stepped into the modeling world in 2015, quickly becoming the face of renowned brands like Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Things, Icon Swim, Blinko Bay, Touch Dolls, Dolly Skill, ASOS and many more. Notably, she holds a significant role as one of the distinguished face of Fashion Nova Curve. AmirahDyme's influence extends across Instagram, where she commands a staggering following of over 4.2 million and counting. On TikTok, she engages with more than 112,000 followers and has garnered a whopping 560,000 likes. As the owner and CEO of Flavors Co., AmirahDyme waves her unique style into the fabric and fashion industry, leaving an indelible mark as a trendsetter and entrepreneur. For more amazing personalities and biographies, subscribe our channel Daily Info so you never miss the upcoming updates. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.